Hello and welcome to a short video from CBS Automotive. We'd just like to show you a couple of the installations that we've carried out on Regent Construction's vehicles. So as you can see already from the roof, what we've got here is CAP 168 airport use lighting. So all these are on a permanent feed, so they're controlled by a rocker switch inside the main cab. What we'd just like to show you as well is the conduit tubing that we use as well. So any installation that we use, we do to the highest possible standards. So there's tested tape on there as well. So they're nice and secured. And then actually inside the cab, what we've installed here is a little rocker switch. So this is nice and easy to control. You just press the button there to turn them off and away you go. So for anything like this for commercial use, we do specialise in commercial installation, anything from vans, trucks to plant. Please do give us a call. Our contact number is 01223 56 30 30. Thank you very much for watching.